Hey, it's James at Patriot Driving Cleaning. Man, I love these effects on these videos that you can do. It's just crazy, right? Hey, I want to talk to you about having your dryer vent cleaned once a year. Listen, it certainly is a fire hazard. It'll cause your dryer to not work efficiently. If you're having to run the dryer multiple times to get the clothes dry, especially the towels and the heavy stuff like jeans and blankets and that type of thing. So that's an indication that the dryer vent is clogged and needs to be cleaned. Sometimes you get an error code up here like a D80 or D90, and that's the dryer screaming at you saying, "Hey, you got to get me cleaned." So what happens if you don't get it cleaned, especially if there's an error code up on the screen, the dryer will actually break. So the dryer has a thermal sensor in there, and it'll shut down actually if the dryer gets too hot. Kind of a safety feature, kind of a stopgap, if you will, to prevent dryer fires. But don't rely on that. Once a year, let's get it cleaned out. In most cases, it's a flat rate of $85, and I emphasize flat rate because so many companies will charge you extra for little things, like if they have to get on the roof, or if your dryer vent is more than 10 feet long, and just crazy stuff. So flat rate of $85. Let's keep your home and your family safe. 830, almost forgot my own phone number, 830-320-0773, or schedule online at www.cleanmydryervent.org. Thanks.